Hi, welcome in. It's Brian and Amy. We're here representing WhyGolf. We're talking about the alignment disc. Amy's going to kind of walk us through how to hit a draw using the alignment disc.
Yeah, so this video is for somebody that maybe struggles slicing the ball, and I think you can fix a slice in one swing using the alignment disc. So we're going to show you how to do that, how to set it up. We have in our alignment bundle, we're going to actually have 2 of these things, which is great to kind of create a little station that's going to really change our club path, help us hit a draw. So for a draw, I'm going to set this one on this side of the ball here so that I have to go underneath it. And then on this one, I'm going to flip it over here so that I have to swing over it. So again, we're trying to keep the alignment disc about a club length away from the ball. I can kind of play with how hard or difficult or easy I want to make this. This would be not too bad. As you can see, if I'm here and I'm coming from the inside a little bit or even on my baseline there, I'm not going to hit that stick. If I come down and I swing way over the top, I'm going to hit it or I'm going to go over the top of it or something crazy. So we don't want to do that. That's why you can see this is kind of in a good spot. It promotes my club coming slightly from the inside and then swinging slightly out, which is going to hopefully create a little draw for me.
Let's see it, Amy. Let's see you hit a little draw for him.
Baby draw. Baby draw.
Baby draw.
But we had a good club path.
You
so
did.
That was
her
accomplished.
swing direction was 1, and her club path was about 4 to the right.
Now, if I'm still struggling and I feel like I don't really get the sensation of the stick very much, I might just snug it in there just a little bit. You can see I'm still a club length away. I'm probably about 6 inches away from the ball. That's kind of what we were talking about at the beginning of how to set it up there. And then same thing on the other side here. So let's see if we can really get this thing drawing here. Okay, it's a pretty nice little push draw.
Yep,
we'll take that.
She added a few more degrees of path to the right. So these things are going to be fantastic in your practice. I think you're going to see a swing direction change very quickly.